Hey, do you have an X-Lander X-Move stroller with built-in Safe Ride LED lights, but they don't turn on and don't light up? This is easy to fix. Just replace the old batteries that locate in the footrest area of the stroller. These LED lights help make the stroller visible in the dark from up to about 50 meters. Before starting this task, buy new LR44 replacement batteries. Then take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the 2 screws that hold the battery cover. Carefully remove the cover. As you can see, these X-Move strollers use 3 LR44 batteries in series. Carefully push out the old batteries, but remember the direction they are inserted in the battery holder. Then insert the new batteries in the same direction as before, and place the battery compartment back into the footrest. Before screwing the cover back on, turn on the lights and check if they work. Nice, they light up. Now screw the 2 screws back in to secure the cover. And that's it. You have restored the lights on your X-Lander X-Move stroller. This method also works for X-Lander X-Pulse and X-Cite strollers.